दिसा उपरांत येवकार 2020 सालांत जावपी ऑलिंपिकांत पयले फावट कराटे खेळाचो आस्पाव जावपाचो आसा म्हण पुराय भारतांत कराटेच्या मळार नेटान तयारी चल्ल्या. तमिळनाडूत कराटे टोर्नामेंट जावपाचो आसा. हातूंत गोंयच्या 10 भुरग्यांची निवड जाल्या. आरडेक्सको खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
We are trying to participate in the Olympic level. We are giving training to the children from the standard of first standard. So we are ready to go for Olympic, but we are trying to participate. But there is a very difficult to participate in the Olympic level because in India, you know well, especially some sort of people only they are giving importance to karate. But many people they are fear about karate. When you are doing karate, it will any assault, injuries may occur. They are thinking that it's a very useful, very technically they are fighting. It's a game, it's a sport, purely sports. We will give a punch with skin touch, not forcefully punch. We are doing purely sports karate. We are expecting the students, we are training, we are more than our Tamil Nadu, we are having more than 100 schools. We are teaching there and we are prepare the students to participate in the national level tournament. As well as we are expecting to participate in the Olympic level tournament.
If the chance will get, we will participate sure.
It's a karate tournament as well as yoga tournament also. It's organized by our association, Sri Patanjali Yoga Kendra. They are organizing tournament in yoga. As well as more than 100 students participated in the tournament. They are coming from different schools all over India. In Goa people, more than 10 students participating in this tournament. It's every year process. Every year we are conducting this tournament. It's very useful to the children. They are eligible to, if we participated in this tournament, they are eligible to participate in the state tournament as well as national level tournament. This is recognized by Sports Development Authority of Tamil Nadu. It's a Sports Development Authority of India. We are the members of Karate Association of India. As well as we are the teachers of yoga also. We are giving the instruction to the children to how to participate in the tournament. As well as we will give the training to participate in the tournament.